today? Well, today we're learning how to take a piece of black walnut on a lathe and we're going to make it into a muddler. I'm going to make it to a buddy of mine and make an old-fashioned or a mojita, and if it goes well, I may make another one that we'll give away at the end of the thing. So tune back in at the end of the video and I'll let you know if we're going to have a giveaway or not. So here I somewhat have the shape done. Came in and cut with the cutting tool to mark this. And I marked it here. I actually was going to use this end as the other end. I messed it up, so I came down here and moved the muddling end down here. Then this will be the top of the handle. I'll bring it up, narrow it, and then I'll round this out. So what my plan is, we'll see how it goes. Here's one of the great cheats in lathing is you basically just get sandpaper. And while it's spinning, I'm very careful. Just kind of smooth everything up. You can kind of get an idea of kind of what it's going to look like, and it's not going to look real great from what I can see so far. So now I got the muddler down here, I got the handle, and then I've got the entry knob, or the top of it. And I'm going to try to round this, so I'm going to try to take it from here and make this closer. Might have to do that last part by hand to take the top off, straighten this up, clean this up in here, and then I think I'll be done. So getting closer. It's getting closer. Happy with this. This is okay. I'll get it. This needs to be, but I got to get it rounded up. Okay, so here it is. Here's the great cheat in you simply sand it. You can sand it with 16. You can sand it with 120. You can get a board and hold it so it's like against here so that it makes that flat, or it makes this flat. You can kind of round it a little bit, just help smooth it up. Like I said, that's 120. That's one of the great cheats. So now I'm going to come in with my pull saw. You can also put a point tool in there, and it'll take it to the end. And I'm going to mark it here with the point tool first, so I make sure it's going straight up and down, so I get a flat cut. And then I will saw it off. So you simply take your pointed tool, where you can mark it with a pencil if you want. I want it like right there. So then starting to get a little weak. I'm going to tighten it, and then I'm going to saw it at both ends and call it a day. If you don't have one of these DeWalt pull saws, they're pretty handy. So like where I marked it, I'm going to take my end here, and I'm going to simply start sawing. So there you go. One old world. It's got a crack in it, which I thought was kind of cool. Makes it kind of look older. Not exactly how I drew it up, but it turned out kind of cool. But just an old world hand muddler. I'm going to put some walrus oil on it, and it'll make that black walnut pop. A little walrus oil, and look. Boom. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.